Students, let us see 5.1 practice set, question number 2. Okay. According to the given information, I have drawn the diagram. It is given that ABCD is a parallelogram. Angle A is this measurement and angle B is this measurement. You have to find out the value of C and D. Okay, as well as the value of X. You can see in between X is written. We have to find the value of X also and angle C and D. Okay, let us start solving this. First of all, we know that quadrilateral ABCD is parallelogram. Okay, we know that adjacent angles of parallelogram are supplementary. Therefore, angle A plus angle B will be equal to 180 degree. Okay, we can write here adjacent angle of parallelogram. Okay. Now we will substitute the value of A and add the value of B. Okay. So angle A is 3 plus 2x minus 32. Okay. This is equal to 180 degree. Now we will solve this. Okay. We will add 3x plus 2x, will get 5x. And minus 32 and plus 12 will get minus 20. This is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, 5x will be equal to 180 plus 20. Okay. So we will get, therefore, x is equal to 200 upon 5. Okay. After cancellation, we will get x is equal to 40. So first value we have got, that is x is equal to 40. Now what we will do, we will substitute this value of x and find out A and B. And since it is a parallelogram, opposite angles are congruent. Okay. Therefore, we will write angle C is equal to angle A and we will substitute the value in the angle A. That is 3x plus 12. So when we do the substitution, we will get 3 into 40 plus 12. So we will get 120 plus 12. That is 1. So angle C is equal to 132 degree. Now angle D will be equal to angle B. Yes, what is the reason? Opposite angle of parallelogram. Here I have not written the reason, but here also reason is opposite angle of parallelogram. Now we will do the substitution. Angle D and B is given, that is 2x minus 32 degree. So 2 into x is 40 minus 32. That is 80 minus 32. You will get 80 minus 32 is 48 degree. Okay. Therefore, angle D is equal to 48 degree. Finally, we can write all the answer, that is angle X is equal to 40 degree. Angle C is equal to 132 degree. And angle D is equal to 48 degree. We have got all the three values. Children, now let us see how to solve the question number 3 of practice set 5.1. Okay. In question number 3, ABCD is given as parallelogram and perimeter of the parallelogram is 150. We have to find out the given sides. Okay, find the length of all the sides. Like we have done of angle, now we will do of the sides. We have to find out all the sides of the parallelogram. Okay, so we will take, let AB is equal to x. In the question it is not given x. I have written in the diagram for better understanding. Okay, and it is given that other side is greater than the first one by 25. So we will take AB as x. Okay, so therefore according to given condition, the other one is greater by 25. Therefore we will get BC is equal to x plus 25. Okay. Now opposite sides of parallelogram are congruent. Okay. So therefore we can write down AB is equal to CD is equal to x and BC is equal to AD is equal to x plus 25 centimeter, because perimeter is given as 150 centimeter. Okay. Now we will use the perimeter and solve the sum. Okay, now we know that what is perimeter. Perimeter is addition of all the sides of any figure. It can be parallelogram, it can be square, rhombus, whichever it is. It is sum of all the sides. Okay, so AB plus BC plus CD plus AD, all this will be equal to 150. Okay, now we will substitute the value of AB, BC and all this thing. AB is x plus x plus 25, CD is x, therefore x, and again AD is x plus 25. All this is equal to 150. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll get 4x plus 25 is 50. 4x plus 25 is 25 plus 25 is 50. All this is equal to 150 degree. Okay. Now this 50 will come here, it will get subtracted, therefore we will get 4x is equal to 150 minus 50. Therefore now we can find out the value of x, that is 150 minus 50, 100 upon 4. So we will get x is equal to 25 centimeter. Okay, now we can find out or write all the remaining sides. Okay, now AB, therefore CD is equal to AB is equal to x, that is 25 centimeter, and AD is equal to BC is equal to x plus 25, that is 25 plus 25. So we'll get 50 centimeter. Okay, hence we have got all the four sides.